Chevrolet has once again raised the bar with the release of the Corvette ZR1, a powerhouse of a vehicle that boasts the most powerful V8 engine ever produced by an American auto manufacturer. With its mind-bending specs and iconic design, the Corvette ZR1 is set to challenge the world's best supercars in both coupe and convertible variants. The heart of the Corvette ZR1 is its 5.5-liter LT7 twin-turbocharged V8 engine, which takes the already impressive architecture of the Z06's LT6 engine to the next level, with the addition of twin turbochargers. Producing a jaw-dropping 1,064 horsepower and 828 pound-feet of torque, the LT7 engine sets a new standard for power in the Corvette lineup. This marks the first time that a factory Corvette has been equipped with turbochargers. Engineers worked tirelessly to optimize virtually every system of the LT7 engine for boosted application, resulting in a power plant that delivers massive power, capability, and character. It will be hand-assembled by the master engine builders at the Performance Build Center in Kentucky, showcasing the dedication and expertise that went into its creation. In addition to its impressive engine, the Corvette ZR1 features purposeful aerodynamics that provide over 2,200 pounds of downforce at top speed. Two distinct setups, complete with magnetic ride dampers, allow for optimal performance on both the road and the track. The ZR1's optional ZTK performance package transforms the vehicle into a true track weapon, adding aggressive aerodynamic components and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires. With the ZTK package, the Corvette ZR1 has tackled some of the world's most demanding racetracks with ease, showcasing its unrivaled performance capabilities. To complement its high performance, the ZR1 is equipped with a revolutionary brake system featuring carbon ceramic rotors that offer increased durability and reduced brake component temperatures. The Corvette ZR1's braking performance is unmatched, with the ability to go from 80 to 100 miles per hour and back to 80 miles per hour in just 24.5 seconds. In addition, the new Corvette ZR1 is set to impress with its advanced transmission and axle technology. Equipped with an M1K 8-speed dual-clutch system, this high-performance vehicle promises a smooth and powerful driving experience. When it comes to chassis and suspension, the Corvette ZR1 does not disappoint. The front suspension of this vehicle features a short, long-arm double wishbone design with forged aluminum upper and cast aluminum L-shaped lower control arms. This setup, along with monotube shock absorbers and magnetic selective ride control 4.0, ensures a smooth and responsive ride. The suspension is specifically calibrated for the ZTK package, providing even greater performance capabilities. Additionally, an adjustable front lift with memory is available, making it easy to navigate rough terrain or steep inclines. The rear suspension of the Corvette ZR1 mirrors the front design with short, long-arm double wishbone construction, forged aluminum upper and cast aluminum L-shaped lower control arms, and a direct-acting stabilizer bar. Monotube shock absorbers and magnetic selective ride control 4.0 ensure a smooth and controlled ride, with the option for a specific calibration with the ZTK package. Designed for the split windows return, the Corvette ZR1 is a true icon that combines both form and function to create a striking design that is not only visually appealing, but also enhances performance. The split window style, last seen on the C2 generation Corvette, makes a comeback on the ZR1, serving as a design statement while also increasing heat extraction from the engine compartment. The carbon fiber spine between the rear windows is available in exposed weave or body color, adding to the car's overall aesthetic. In addition to the split window design, the ZR1 boasts a carbon fiber roof to reduce mass and lower the center of gravity, unique aluminum wheel designs in 4 finishes, and optional carbon fiber wheels to further reduce mass. The LT7 engine intake is finished in edge blue, adding to the overall look of the engine. Inside, the ZR1's cockpit features unique badging, a new finishing stitch pattern, and a boost gauge to denote the car's turbocharged engine. Customers can also choose from a range of customization options for both the exterior and interior, including new colors like Competition Yellow, Hysteria Purple, and Sebring Orange. Set to enter production in 2025, the Corvette ZR1 will be built at General Motors' Bowling Green Assembly Plant in Kentucky and will join the Corvette family alongside the Stingray Z06 and E-Ray models. Pricing and availability details will be announced closer to production.